Hello, I'm Jenny from Twinkl. Let's have a look at our Level 6 flashcards. Use these Level 6 flashcards to help children practice their grapheme phoneme correspondence. Let's have a look at each flashcard and its corresponding sound. Y saying I, like in fly. DGE saying J, like in bridge. GE saying J, like in fringe. GN saying N, like in gnome. KN saying N, like in knife. WR saying like in wrist. LE saying like in table. EER saying like in deer. TURE saying like in picture. MB saying like in thumb. AL saying like in walk. A saying like in walnut. O saying like in glove. EY saying like in monkey. WAR saying war, like in warm. WOR saying were, like in world. S saying je, like in treasure. WA saying wa, like in watch. QUA saying qua, like in squash. TION saying shn, like in station. Explore our DFE approved resources at www.twinkl.co.uk/phonics. I hope this video has been helpful and I'll see you again soon.